Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Farah Vlogs. Today I am going to share my recipe with you guys, that is restaurant style cold coffee. Now let us move towards the ingredients. Coffee 4 tablespoons, chocolate powder 2 tablespoons, ice cream as required, sugar 2 tablespoons, ice cubes as required, cream half cup, milk 2 glass. Now let's move to the procedure. Now put all ingredients into the jar except ice cream and chocolate. The key of the recipe is that the ice cream would go at the very end. Now mix well or shake well. Cold coffee is ready. Now pour into the glasses. Now put some ice cream. Garnish with chocolates. And dust some cocoa powder or chocolate. So the delicious cold coffee is ready. I hope you like the video. Please share with your family, friend and groups, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new videos. Bye.